بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Beginning by the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and kind. This is a Smarbit tool from British Institute. This channel is based on knowledge. You are kindly requested to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Blow your top.
If somebody blows their top, they become very angry about something.
She blew her top after airport officials refused to let her on a plane.
My brother will blow his top when he sees what happened to the bike.
Synonyms: lose your temper, explode, blow up, lose it, see red, lose the plot, have a fit, throw a tantrum, fly off the handle, go spare, fly into a temper, flip your lid, do your nut.
We hope that you have learned a lot from this video. If yes, kindly like, share, and subscribe with comment. Do not forget pressing the bell icon so that you get notification of coming videos. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.